What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? It's me, Lycan-Strife from Driftwolf Gaming, and today we're unboxing the Battletron full mechanical keyboard. Yeah, it has blue accents, so it has a blue cord. It says so on the box right there. And yeah, we're just gonna open it up real quick. Already opened up that lid, so it was gonna be like, everybody knows me by now that I'm struggling with cardboard every single time. So this is it right here. Just gonna grab it out gently. Oh, handy dandy. And some leaflets right here. All right, and that thing, just put that aside for now. And yeah, this is actually just a mechanical keyboard. It doesn't have anything super special about it. It has a blue cord, as you can see. It's already plugged in. And yeah, it sounds very loud. Don't know if my girlfriend is gonna like this. Either way, it looks pretty cool. It has these little, those little things right there. Almost think that somebody already used this because it was already gone out. I didn't do that. Either way, it looks like a cool keyboard. So yeah, it doesn't weigh a lot. Battletron doesn't sell crap. It's actually pretty cool stuff. This one was 25 euros, I think. Yep, it's 25 euros. So 24.95 to be exact. So we're gonna plug this baby in and see how she rolls. So this is the keyboard out of the box. It's completely hooked up to the PC, of course. And yeah, it has a lock button right here, the Windows key. And the FN and insert button is actually the way to turn on or off your lighting. So this is actually setting 1. This is setting 2, where you see when you press a button, it actually lights up. So yeah, again, I'll just do this as an example. And then we have this one. Now it goes really quickly. It stops at the O, I don't know why, and then it goes back to like a whole thing upward. Okay, so that's mode number 2. I don't remember actually. This is another mode. Super duper disco-y for people that want to go crazy at like a party or something. Of course, these are all accessible through the speed key if you wanted to go faster or slower. And then it goes like on off, like it's pulsating. And then it's just completely on. So it's around, I think, 6 or 7 ways of how you can use the RGB. I will be returning this one, even though I think it's a very cool product. The mechanical keys are just so loud. I know it's a mechanical keyboard, so I know it's gonna be loud, but it's so loud here in this house that my girlfriend, who's sleeping upstairs, can hear the keys. So that's not good enough. Plus, I really wanted to try and get it in one color, just like the Battletron mousepad, which I am keeping because it's nice and clean like that, even though I have very big mousepads without RGB, which should work fine as well. But I like this small mousepad here because I'm not really doing much on the PC anyway, and if I really need to start gaming again and I need bigger strokes or more space, I can always grab the other mousepads real quick, the gaming mousepad. Yeah. It's a nice keyboard. It took me a little bit of time to get used to. And yeah, like I said, I wanted to have it in one color, and that's not an option, so that's too bad. Either way, it's a cool thing. You got to be careful when you get the box, because on the box there are these blue details, as you can see right here on the box, and that means you have a blue cord. So you can see that right there. It's difficult to see. No lights and everything. There you go. You can see it a little bit shining in the light right there in the bottom here. So that's actually all. It's a blue cord. And the weird thing is, it says on the box blue cord right there. So we have red and green and blue. It says that enter panel, which is actually not the enter panel that you have because it's like way smaller. So that's weird. It's just a small button instead of a big button, even though it's advertised on this box, but might be something that I'm overlooking. Anti-ghost, as far as I know, that's just with leaning on it. If I'm not making any sense, then I'm probably stupid. I have not looked up what anti-ghost is. I just use keyboards Don't want to get into all the technical mumbo jumbo. And it has LED backlight. Now the problem with this is it advertises it as blue. And as you can see on the picture, it's actually multicolored. So I really thought you can be able, or you were able to put it in completely blue mode. But apparently you can't. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the leaflet real quick, the instructions, so I can talk to you about the functions, the extra functions it has. So we saw it in the box already. This is actually the leaflet. You can go to FN. That's the button that I use for the lights. If you use that and you go press F1 with it, you go to my computer, which works. Search, calculator, all that stuff. I think everything works. I've not tested everything, but then again, I don't really care that much. So the FN plus F12 button is actually a lock button. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. How this goes, how it works. Compatible with dimensions, stuff like that. Brightness control, speed control. Oh, so what I was actually doing was the brightness control and not the speed. So yeah, you can turn that down. So let's look at that real quick. So if I go to FN insert, do it again, and then FN. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the slowest. This is the fastest. So we're gonna go to that one again. So this is the slowest. This is the fastest. That's still normal. So yeah, you get the gist of this. I mean, it's all fine. I like it. You know, like I said, it's a cool keyboard, but regarding price and how it feels to me, or I mean how much noise it makes, it's just not good enough. So yeah, this is the model number right here. Battletron Gaming. Again, I really like all their stuff. And here's an instruction manual and the compound key, which is actually the euro. So why does it say plus? You don't even have to do plus. If you just do the FN and the right alt, you get the euro sign. So well, either way, I'm probably returning this. And you got this thing, of course, I forgot to tell you guys. You got the thing where you can get the keys off of with. So you just like go over it here, boop, you pull it off. You got the button right here, as you can see. And then here you can see the little light right there. And you just put it on it again. There you go, you can feel it like go into its place. And we're back again. So yeah, like I said, you can hear it right now. It's pretty loud. It's not really that loud on camera, I think. But you guys know what I'm saying. So yeah, this was another unboxing / little review about this Battletron Gaming Keyboard. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.